Well, we finally got a significant rain. As you can see, there's almost 3 inches. This is the tank that I've been working on for quite some time now. You saw it yesterday in a video, but it's completely full now. Absolutely couldn't hold any more water, I don't believe. So, really happy about that. All my work's paid off. As we approach this lower tank here, we can see that it's significantly more full than it was yesterday, and it's almost to the brim as well. And as we go along here, you can begin to see that I've got the creek back. This is my creek that I built. Although it's not much of a creek, it's a creek. And anyway, it's a wet weather creek, I guess you'd say. Man-made creek. If you don't have a creek on your place or a dock on it, just build yourself one. And this is another little endeavor that's been 3 or 4 years in the process, and it's looking better than it's ever looked before. I'm happy to see this one to the brim as well. Skippy. Skippy. This is what started it all yesterday. It was the deluge that I referred to. It's might have been, I don't think it was this morning. I believe it was just the afternoon. I can't remember. Anyway, regardless, it was raining pretty good. We've been needing it so bad, and we finally got it. So that's really good.